This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Clean the sheet and remove anything that should not appear. Once done, set the print area and use page layout to choose paper size and 100% scaling so columns stay proportional. Export directly to PDF rather than screenshotting because PDF preserves vector shapes and text sharply. Make sure headers and footers are correct before exporting. This avoids repeating the process. Exporting to PDF first gives you a high-quality source for creating a crisp JPEG image. Open the exported PDF in an image editor or converter that lets you control DPI and quality. You should choose 300 DPI for standard print quality or 600 DPI for fine detail. Set JPEG quality to 90% or higher to minimize compression artifacts. Once the image is rasterized, crop to the content and tweak brightness and contrast so cells and text remain legible. Make sure you export using the sRGB color profile for consistent on-screen color. And save. Finalize by checking the JPEG at 100% zoom to verify legibility, and then batch convert other sheets using the same settings for consistency. Once done, name files clearly with sheet or page numbers so you can identify them later. If the image looks blurry, do not upscale the JPEG. Instead, go back to the PDF and export again at a higher DPI or export individual charts as images. Make sure you use lossless steps as much as possible to prevent repeated compression artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.